welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can get TikTok coins for free. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, TikTok coins are used on streams. So you can you're gonna use on live streams for TikTok for TikTokers who will live stream. You could use those TikTok coins for a lot of other things, like stickers on your account, customizing it and stuff. So just getting it for free is a big plus. So first of all, you're going to launch TikTok. Once you launch TikTok, most of us just get this notification on the notification over here, which you can close. This is basically it. Once you go in, okay, you're going to start. You have almost all of these settings. Of course, it's in basically. What you're going to do is that you're going to have an invite over here, okay? A copy link over here. It's a invitation link, okay? Or you can click on invite over here, okay? Once you click on invite, you're going to copy that link and send it to your friends. The more friends you send them to, the more link that you send it to people, and they use the link to join TikTok, the more coins you're going to get. So this is basically how you can get free coins. Or you can click on the first one over here, and you're going to go into probably, and it's the same thing. You're going to send the link, and you could probably win and once you send the link to a bunch of different people, you're going to win money, and with the money you can buy free money, and with the money you can buy TikTok coins. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.